Bitcoin buying now? Is this the great opportunity you were waiting for or not? You want to know everything about this? The last information about the crypto world? Yes? Then smash that like button because it's time for Crypto News Fun on the Right Crypto a Tope. So, we told you in past videos about very huge important news in the crypto sphere. We told you about our prediction for the monthly chart. We told you that September might be in the red. Why? Because last 6 times we were in September with Bitcoin, we had a red month. If you want to know everything about this, just watch our previous videos where we told you everything about it. But today, we are going to consider if this is the best opportunity we can have. If we are going to have a red September, as we had in the past, a lot of them, be careful, because that means that maybe, this is not financial advice, you can make some money. How? Well, because then October and November usually are very good months for Bitcoin. Even December can be a good one. So this is what Crypto Jelen is telling us here in this tweet. This is today's topic. Is a great opportunity buying right now in this dip so that you can ride the bull market in the last quarter of the year or not? What do you think about that? Leave a comment below. And let's go with TradingView, link in the description, to this chart that I did for you here, your friend Rodri, where you can see that period of time in the past for Bitcoin. And you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 times this period has been green all the time from October to December. And you can see here also in these 2 opportunities where, well, we have one of these 3 months in the red, even if it was October or December, but it was also a green period of time. So usually green period of time, that would mean that yes, we are in that very great opportunity that you can't miss out. But to just point there the bad times also, you can see here this time where it was a disaster because we had 3, 4 red candles, more than that in that period of time. This was October 2018. And it's not a very good sign that the last 2 occasions we've had since September to the point we are right now, the same situation where we go down. And we expect, if we compare the situation with this, 2 red months in November and December. And what about October? We'll see about that. Well, this is the situation in the last months: red, green for October, and red for November and December. What do you think is going to happen now in the closure for this 2023? My opinion, not financial advice. I have no idea whatsoever. I thought last time we were going to have a bull market and we didn't, for sure. So any case, I'm going to predict the beginning of the bull market because I'm comparing the situation right now with this situation in August, July, from 2015 to 2016, and these 3 green candles, and then the beginning of the next cycle. This is my opinion. That's what I pray for. But we have to just keep on looking on CoinGalicia. I'll leave you the link in the description below, where we'll see and we will comment here in FunOntheRide about the closures for those months. Smash the like button to this video if you find this something of your interest. And remember that for all these good things to happen, we need to still find support, as we are in the $25,000 line. The death is just looking at us there, but we are holding there. So let's hold. If we hold, well, maybe this is a prelude for the bull run, as TradingGrain is telling us here, comparing the situation right now and those bounces with the situation we had here, as I'm telling you, in 2015. So it's not just myself, and you can see a lot of points of resistance and a lot of points of support that are similar to the situation we are living right now. So maybe we are going to have good times ahead of us. We need to respect the $26,000 line, and also we need to go above $1 trillion in all the crypto sphere. The total market cap for crypto is below 1 trillion right now. which is not good. Well, it's above right now, but it was below it. And maybe it's a good sign. We can compare the situation right now with the one we had here, the last time we broke this line. And we had the next leg up, as also we had here, if you want to consider it quite similar situation. So maybe also with the total market cap, we are diving into a bull market. Well, Income Sharks believes this is true and it might come due to Bitcoin dominance. The idea here is that Bitcoin is going to break this chart, this line, and is going to enter in a dominance phase. That would mean that all the money in the altcoins will come into Bitcoin. Bitcoin go up again, then money will come into the sphere and will go to altcoins. And so the cycles keeps on continuing. What do you think about that? Interesting for sure. And also the Scalping Pro here telling us that we should remember that we are still respecting this line, legendary line for Bitcoin, that might bring us to a new all-time high in the future. Dollar needs to help us, and it's good to know that dollar is going up, but also crypto is going up. How is that even possible? Well, maybe because we have good news. What good news is that? Well, we told you that Gary Gensler was going to talk in the Senate about crypto, etc., and the community believes it was a good testifying there. Of course, boring and of course terrible, but at the same time, he's kind of saying that we need regulatory clarity, etc., and he's asking for resources in order to regulate it. So like kind of the narrative is changing to we should destroy everything to we need to regulate it and we need more money to be that guard that is watching all the crypto sphere. So maybe the community is just watching here how they are changing this narrative, and that's why the price is going up. Also, Coinbase gave us here a lot of information, the truth. And if you want to read it, I leave you the link it below for you. The US is at risk of losing out 1 million developer jobs and 3 million related not technical jobs over the next 7 years as Web3 development increasingly moves overseas. So here you can see that they are attacking the regulators in United States because United States is losing the opportunity for all those jobs. Regulatory and legislative uncertainty puts 4 billion jobs at risk by 2030. So this puts some pressure in the regulator for sure. In any case, also, these guys want to regulate, they want to use more money of the taxpayers in order to do that. And they are using now AI, crazy stuff. Allegedly, they are using AI for financial surveillance. This is confirmed by Gary Gensler. So they are trying to monitor the market with it. Any case, very interesting, very positive, maybe. This talk from Gary Gensler in the Senate, but also so cool the stuff we told you yesterday in past video about PayPal. And today we go further. You know that crypto payments platform is developing more and more. And here you have the former president of PayPal and head of PayPal telling you that Bitcoin is the universal protocol for money on the internet, and also that they're trying to turn Bitcoin into a global payment network. We are still in the fax era of payments. That's what former president of PayPal is saying, not myself. Let's listen to him in this interview.
So we were just saying the state of fintech and the state of payments and where we really are. You're working on a new project. I shouldn't even say a new project, but a project around the Lightning Network, which is aimed at basically taking Bitcoin. You can explain it better than I can. Effectively, you take it off chain and then put it back on chain to make these transactions faster.
Yes, actually what we're trying to do is turn Bitcoin into a real payment, global payment network, because we have many tourists walking right outside of the studio right now. If you were to stop one of them and wanting to communicate with them, you could ask them for an email address and you can email them easily the next minute. You could text them, you could add them to a group video chat, you can do all of these things. But if you were to send them money, if they were not a US citizen here in the US using one of the same fintech apps you're using, then you wouldn't be able to do that. And so
Very interesting that he is relating to the new system for payments, because you can send text to anyone you want with all the apps we have already on our cell phone. But when we are talking about sending money, well, you need to have Bizum or Venmo or the same app. And maybe you are in a different country, or you don't have the app this guy has, and you don't have a bank account even. Well, now with Bitcoin, you can do that with Lightning Network with no trouble whatsoever. And also, then the guy asking him asks what's going on with Bitcoin as a just gold standard, in the sense that if we believe that Bitcoin is going higher in price, you won't sell your Bitcoin, you will keep it as an investment. And then the former president of PayPal is telling us that that's true, but also with the technology behind Bitcoin, you can do those payments in stable coins. You don't have to do it through Bitcoin. So yeah, we need that platform. All the technology has improved a lot. You can text all over the world, but you can't use money transfers as you are doing with text, and money is text, is data. So yes, very interesting to listen to this very, very important personality that created PayPal, that was there in the beginning, now supporting Bitcoin. This is so huge. And we told you that Metamask was allowing payments also and selling from crypto. And now they bring more, they bring further development where you can use Metamask as you wish, as you like. If you are a developer, they are launching snaps. And with that, you kind of can personalize the use of MetaMask that you want. So again, just more and more development in the crypto sphere. I leave you the links in the description below if you want to dig deeper. So again, let's watch this cycle chart. And we believe that eventually we have so many good news that will bring us to the next bull cycle. Maybe in terms of psychology of the market cycle, we are in this belief, just ready to go to hope again. We'll see about that here. Remember to smash the like button. The market's still in fear. What I fear is Warren Buffett. Why? Because he's serving 10 years in Congress by now, and she has an annual salary of $100,093. And careful, because she managed to increase her net worth to $73 million. How was that? Well, because all the information that they control. And she's attacking Elon Musk. She wants everybody to investigate Elon Musk. Why don't we investigate Warren Buffett? I was saying, why don't we investigate U.S. Senator Elizabeth Warren instead of Elon Musk? Remember that you have already the new book, the new biography. I am reading it. Well, I audio listening it in Audible. I leave you the link in the description below. Would be free for you if you want to try it, and you will help us. If you want to buy the book, well, you can do that too. You have the link in the description. In Audible, is going to be by now in English. And remember that in FunOntheRide.com, our website, you have a section where we recommend you this book and so many other books that we have commented in the platform, in the channel. And you have even some videos summing up those books for you. Bad news to our sponsor, CoinX. It suffered an attack in Hong Kong with 43 million lost. But we just wrote their treated account, global and Spanish account, and they say that our funds are safe. So we'll keep on telling you, allegedly everything is okay by now. And we are so happy with Cardano because finally we validated 100 blocks. So happy for that. So thank you everybody that contributed to this. Thank you to all the riders that bring their ADA with us. Thank you very much. Cardano on the right, Fanon, you still have time to come with us. Thank you very much. Let's validate the 1,000 block together. What about XRP? Well, you can see here that Benjamin Cohen is telling us that XRP has retraced the entirety of the move that came after the SEC versus Ripple case. This is sad, but it's true, something we need to understand. and we'll see if we touch the line I told you about. The bubble's crazy today, and Ethereum is fighting to be green and is respecting the legendary support. So we are happy for that. Happy we are with Roundup. We already have our token because we are in the private sale in order to, in the future, use Rand Pro. You can do the same, join the whitelist, and you will get an email where you can go to that private sale. Here you have it. Just click on the buy button. I leave you the link below. Here you have also my first try how to buy it, and it worked perfectly, and it took me like just 1 minute. 2 buttons. Use your credit card and you are ready to go. You can take advantage of the price of the private sale, or just wait till September the 18th, where it will be public. In the technology area, well, we have here Beeple talking about our favorite frog, Pepe. So what would people think about AI? I wonder about it. And what do you think now about their creations? Still have merit or not? And what about Pepe chart? We go to DEXTools.io and you can see we are recovering a little bit. I leave you the link in the description to DEXTools.io. Remember, we have a trading challenge that you can't lose, where you can win a lot of prizes. Link below, just learn how to participate. And about technology, well, we have our new iPhone 15. Do you want to buy this? I would buy probably Bitcoin better. What about you? Well, any case, it seems the same. Finally, they are going to give us this kind of cables so we can use USB-C. So the fight might be over. And again, it's very interesting to know the price of an iPhone through time. The iPhone 4S was worth 162 Bitcoin. iPhone 5, 53 Bitcoin. iPhone 5S, 5 Bitcoin. And this goes lowering. To the iPhone 15, we are in 0.031 Bitcoin. And in the future, it will be less and less. We pray for that. What about drones? Here you have a show that it's a mix between a drone spectacle and also a fireworks spectacle. And I love it. You have here this kind of robot that sends those lightning, and then the fireworks explode. Lovely things we can do with technology, and lovely people that control that technology, like this guy that is the master of the motorcycle, Mark Vidal. I love this Twitter account. Is telling us everything about tech and about economy, and also from time to time giving us these lovely tweets where you can be amazed of what humanity can do. So cool. You are considering, you are wondering right now if the guy is going to miss a single cone. Well, I have to tell you that he is not. So you can watch the video, relaxing yourself, because here in this question or this S is not gonna drop any of this. Here neither. He did the whole thing without dropping a single coin. Congratulations to this crack. Lovely thing. What about the cat section today? Well, we are talking about people being hungry for Bitcoin, like this cat that is drinking, but I don't know where. He's drinking in the air. What about this guy trying to eat through the glass? So he's so close to his financial freedom, but no cigar. Close, but no cigar. What about this guy just dreaming on top of the ice creams? Is the ice cream keeper in the crypto world. Eventually, one day, you won't dream about it. You will have the ice cream and you won't have to eat your own tail like this cat is doing. Oh my God, so cute. What about this guy helping you? Well, I have to work because I want to buy more Bitcoin. So I have to be here, and my thing is cutting this tape and helping this human to do that. So cool, people working and people getting so tired about all this crypto world, this crypto weight. But any case, we have to be patient and learn little by little. We keep on learning. If you want to learn more, if you want to learn about artificial intelligence, go to AI News, our new channel. Go there. We are almost 1,000 riders already there, 15 videos that you have to watch. If you want more crypto in Spanish, go to FunOntheRide. If you want more crypto in English, just wait till next crypto news. FunOntheRide, health, money, love, pouring in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!